Salut! Dans cette vidéo, on va juger tout le monde. Et misy an'ity vidéo ty zany zay hoe jubilé izay vidéo malaza any andafy any zay manao karazana kilalao zareo am'ty hojerentsika ty zao de Iza No Virjiny zany hoe Virjiny de miezaka mahafantatra an'le izy zareo zany. De miteny foana moa zareo zany hoe atao anatin'ity vidéo ty zany tsy jugement fa nefa atao anatin'ity tena misy jugement kely fa tsy hoe tena jugement be. De hojerentsika zany hoe Iza No Virjiny am'le zareo. Hafa kely mihitsy ty fandaharana any ivelany ty. Zany hoe andraso aloha andeny.
A virgin.
I am not 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 a virgin.
One is a liar.
Zay miteny daholo zany zareo hoe tsy virjiny tsony de ny anankiray amin'ny zareo mandainga. Zany hoe ny anankiray amin'ny zareo zany mandainga raha ohatra zany hoe fantatra zareo hoe iza ilay mandainga de azon'ilay be da be ny vola fa raha tsy fantatra zareo de azon'ilay olona anankiray ilay vola. Azonareo ve? Raha ohatra zany hoe io zao olona anankifito zareo ka fantatra zareo hoe iza le mandainga de azon'ilay anankena ampiny zany le vola. Raha ohatra kosa tsy fantatra zareo le iza le tsy virjiny tsony iza le virjiny de azon'ilay ilay mandainga zany ilay izy not a virgin zany tsy virjiny tsony zany ny eto amin'ity épisode iray ty. Out.
Okay, guys. I say we just start asking.
De isaky ny round zany zareo de fanontaniana de rehefa tapitra ny lera de mifidy olona hoe iza ny olona no mivoaka eritreretin-jareo fa virjiny ve zany sa tsy virjiny raha tsy jerentsika eo hoe.
And everyone answers. I agree.
Does anyone have a name for their genitalia?
Who?
My initial thought was Sean. He seemed too confident, too talkative.
Let's go around the circle.
All
Let's
right.
figure it out.
I feel like this isn't a good use of our time.
That's not a good
Okay,
one.
okay, let's try
call
this.
you-
Ready?
What do you call yours?
Harris.
Okay, Harris.
Okay, when did everyone lose their virginity? Age.
That's a good one.
Samy manana hoe ahoana ny fiantsonao an'ilay zavatra. Zay zany nanontanian'ity ban'ity pervers be lery hoe iza inona ny fiantsonao any zavatra.
19.
Zavatra.
12?
Yeah, it was on MySpace.
What?
It was on my.
We don't have time for the we don't have time for the
Okay,
story.
okay.
I feel like
12 ans?
everyone wanted to control the situation. We weren't getting anywhere.
When was the last time you guys had sex?
2 days ago.
Oh,
3
okay.
days.
Last night.
It's been 3 weeks.
We got nowhere.
Since April?
What do we do?
We've covered no
What
ground.
about
Yeah, what about you? Wait, no, you didn't answer the question.
Mifantany zareo hoe tamin'ny vina no nisy relation farany zany de misy miteny hoe 2 ans de io zany samy mifidy an'le
I
izy.
said recently.
Recently?
Enough time.
Imbandy sinoa igny kosa loatra ny tsy mazavazava.
Let alone vote someone out. I didn't feel like she was telling the truth, or maybe she was just nervous.
Ie ohatra ny pozina
Lucky guys.
pozin'olo.
You made the right choice.
No, I don't think we did.
What? Natisha?
No, I trust you.
Ohatra ny pozina virjiny kosa aloha iny vehivavy iny zany tsy haiko hoe ahoana ny pozina virjiny fa
I
tonga
don't
de
think
fantatra
at
zareo hoe
first glance I look like a virgin.
ye ohatra ny virgin amin'ny pozinaoko.
Possible you can end the game now. Raise your hand if you have doubt and you would like to continue the game.
Okay, so
Voilà
when
mitoy
you
zany
lost
lalao.
virginity, how did it go down?
High school, both virgins didn't know what the hell we were doing.
What was the first letter of her first name?
J.
That was quick. How about you?
Okay, I'm a late bloomer, so I lost
Mifantany
mine at
zareo hoe
21.
iza ny anaran'ny olona niaraka taminao voalohany.
Where?
I worked at a movie theater, and
Okay.
he was my coworker, so kind of
Huh?
scandalous.
What about you?
Any amin'ny cinéma ve rangano no manao zay
Her
atao.
name was Harmony and
How'd you guys meet?
MySpace.
MySpace.
Tamin'ny andro MySpace hono le ry zany no nana voalohany.
Next.
I was 14. It lasted about 2 minutes.
So I was 16.
16, good.
Lost to a girl named Stacy
Stacy.
in the back of my Volvo.
I was also a late bloomer. I believe I was in college.
And how did you lose it? Like, where was it at?
In my apartment/dorm. It wasn't.
Fetsy be ty bandy sinoa kely ty fa ohatrany hoe zao jereny pozan'le ry jereny pozan'le ry mody verivery be izy zany am'izay fa tenenina aveo hoe tena nandainga izy na ohatra zany de am'izay tsy haiko tafiara am'le izy ve fetsifetsy be le ry ngambany.
Very questionable
I
here,
lived
but-
off
Okay, yeah.
campus, so not a dorm.
How many people have you slept with?
Oh gosh.
Body count.
Hoe firy nanontany le vehivavy zany hoe firy ny olona efa natory niaraka taminao.
Under 10.
It's the version thing, that's about,
Jere le pozan'le ry ny.
We're just trying to figure it out. We're just trying to figure it out, bro.
All right, so rough body count.
I know it's 3 because it's not that many.
Between like 30 and like 70, somewhere around there.
what about you, MySpace?
Nen'le vehivavy zany no ny 30 na 70 eo ampovoambon'izay. Eo ampovoambon'izay zany olona efa niaraka taminy niara-natory taminazy.
Nearly 100.
I'm 25 years old. I'm old, man.
I don't know that I buy 100.
Look at his neck right now.
How
Look
did you
at
get this? Yeah.
this.
Fuck off.
Tenen'le ry jere misy son le izy zany hoe le ry zany teny hoe latsaky ny zato eo zany nefa niara-natory taminy. Kay maro a.
Notice the hickey.
You come to this shoot with this, like,
But
but
it
it
is
could also
over
be a
100.
trick
And
where
over
it's
100.
like,
Hickey over 100, naming his genitals. Because he was playing the game so hard, I was like, maybe he like really did come to win to the point of giving himself a fake hickey.
okay,
Okay.
so
Who's in a relationship?
Oh, who's in a relationship?
It's complicated.
Yes. Oh,
Yeah.
how long have you been together?
few months.
A few
Okay.
months? How long is a few months? Like 6 months?
No less.
Yeah, he's gone. He's gone.
More general.
I'm gone. Oh, you do think it's me?
I just like figured that maybe get rid of the guy with the pony t-shirt.
Le t-shirt an'le ry tonga de namadika an'le ry bandy manao t-shirt ohatr'izao zany mbola
Oh no,
firy.
like 100%. Like, it's so obvious that it's like, yo, is
Black
it?
is
If it's
there.
obvious, we have to take it
I
out.
think so.
We have to remove
Honestly,
it.
though, I'm kind of flattered. I didn't want to be too defensive about like, no, I'm not a virgin, just because I'm kind of like, it's okay if you are.
What's the craziest place you guys have had sex?
Teo zany toerana hoe niarahana tamin'olona zany hoe
Say like in an elevator.
Like an obstacle course on my college campus, like one of those rope course
Dang,
things.
man, you went from 0 to 100.
Craziest.
The bed.
The bed. That's a great one.
elevator.
You never went outside the bed.
Maybe one day.
Guys.
Yo, feed them safe.
Sleeper in the dark.
It's kind of like a hive mentality. You just want to be safe and do whatever it takes.
Lasy le ry. Lasy ala.
Oh man, good luck, guys. I had a different shirt. I was told that this shirt worked fine. I feel like that may have contributed, but also maybe don't judge people by the shirts that they choose to wear.
Aza tsaratsara olona amin'ny lokon'ny t-shirt
What's
any a.
everyone's favorite
Nany sary amin'ny
aspect of
t-shirt any.
sex? What do you guys like the most about
Le
it?
t-shirt zany na tafavoaka
I
an'le ry.
like the
Foreplay?
ending.
Intimacy, yeah, with someone you love, and that's who you trust and who I would want to have sex with.
And how long have you been with your current boyfriend?
6 months.
How long were you single before that?
Oh, I had another boyfriend from the movie theater, but
Fa ty lo sura fa tsy mandaingy. Tsy mandaingy ty fa raha vehivavy ohatr'izao. Ie, ohatra tsaratsara be koa fa le ito.
And
Your boyfriend.
and then I had a one-night stand.
So that was
and
the
then
Ohatrany hoe marina
found
be
myself
daholo le
with
zavatra
her.
tantarainy.
Yes.
Okay, I mean that's actually believable.
Yeah.
I mean, that
especially
is-
since she referenced like the
But like
movie theater
statistically,
thing.
if we eliminated her, we'd make more money. I was kind of just playing game theory at that point.
I've been the most transparent here, just saying.
We've all been
Yeah.
transparent.
Well,
Ie, iny vehivavy iny mihitsy ny tena milaza
I'd rather
marina.
be in
Ingany
a
tsy ho diso
relationship than
hafarany.
just have sex with anyone.
Tapped and round.
But that didn't change my mind.
Yeah, we're gonna lose anyway.
Za mieritreritra io bandy
mainty
mainty hoditra io
enacted.
no mandainga. Io.
I kind of just de facto got everybody to kick out all the introverted people because I thought it was a good game plan, but maybe I was kind of messed up.
Jerentsika eo ary ny toy ny lasa indray Emily.
The bowl's still there. Good luck.
Bye bye Emily.
in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I think they're teaming up.
No, I want to ask you more
It looks
questions,
like a
and I want to
team
ask
up.
you more questions.
Terore round manaraka re.
She like winked. and
Yela
got-
mintsy
opened her eye back
angamba
up.
zao ny tena any.
Like, yo,
You
let's,
said
let's
three.
split this bread.
Hold on, you said 3 in the last 2 weeks, but
So I went to Palm Springs 2 weeks ago, and then 2 days ago, I had sex with someone.
Sean and I did team up. We just kind of like looked at each other and we're just like, okay. We kind of knew that we were safe.
I think he could potentially still be the mole.
All right. Let's ask questions.
Were you religious too before you had sex?
Yeah.
So if I called your mom right now and I was like, he's had sex a few times.
She probably already thinks I do. I mean, I've never told her I've had
Right.
sex, you know what I mean?
you said you were 19 when you lost?
No,
it?
16.
16. Okay.
Yeah, back of the Volvo.
Ny enambe
What color
folo
was
taona
the
zany
Volvo?
zao ny voalohany.
It was gold.
Ny Lerine ny Emmanuel.
You mean like yellow?
Like tannish.
As far as the Volvo, did you have like padding in there or was it just
No,
like,
man.
ooh, you were hurt?
Just to see. It wasn't the greatest experience.
Thugging it. That's
I
all.
didn't, yeah.
What was the body part that hurt most after you finished?
It was definitely my knee because it was on like the little.
Raha ohatra hoe tenena tsikelikely zany le tenen'le rito de hoe tao arinana volovony zany no première fois any première fois an'le ry de hoe inona hono zany no tena nitranga izy le bandy ozy Sean hoe inona no tena mitranga zany inona ahoana ny tsapany lahy zany tamin'ny farany rehefa tapitra le izy de ny zavatra tena tsapana zany marary be ny genou-any.
The little buckle.
It's all correct.
It was bad business. I'm a big guy. In the back of a Volvo.
okay, that's all correct.
What was your first time?
Where?
Yeah.
It was in a bed in the guy's house that we were at, and his parents were gone.
Did you say 30 to 70, 18?
Yeah. Yep.
The math seems off.
I think if you said like
Okay,
10
I'm not-
to 15,
Yeah,
I'd,
but
I'd
that's the
believe you,
truth.
but
That's up there.
Fa ty
especially
vehivavy
for
ty
an
koa tsy
18-year-old. I'm
mazavazava.
not here to judge anybody or anything like that, but she could be coming in here trying to be like, I'm the coolest.
She's saying a big number, she's young, therefore I believe it because if she was coming in here as the mole, she'd be like, oh, like maybe like 10. I think she's safe. And that Volvo story about your knees,
That.
that makes sense.
We haven't asked
Yeah.
you in a while.
I'm a
Tena
sex-
marina.
okay, all right, he's good.
We got a solid.
25, how old are you?
27.
Yeah.
18 with 30.
I-
I don't
that's what
know,
I was-
bro. Like I like numbers,
Ask me
bro.
anything.
I needed to like sway one of them. So I was thinking like Trevor was the mole. Okay, we'll just go with Emmanuel for now, but he wasn't budging.
I don't think he has a beard with like earrings and a tattoo and is
Oh,
a
yeah.
virgin.
You
I
know
don't
what?
think.
He didn't throw me in the fire. It's kind of like, you know what, you're cool. You didn't throw me in. Me and Emmanuel started kind of indirectly teaming up too, like telepathically.
You think, Sean?
Ie, anankitelo ny vinavinako. Eny e, be da be ve? Na le Emmanuel le mainty hoditra na Trevor. Kelikely ny chance hoe le vehivavy. Fa ty fotsifotsy ty aloha zany tena tsy anina. Lasa
He brought
jerentsika.
the hickey, which is probably like a bottle cap you just put on his neck.
Oh, that's a bottle cap, bro? Tell me that's a bottle cap.
Misy jeresy.
Can I get
to
it?
confirm?
Something.
Manontany tena zany zareo hoe tena marina ve le suçon.
that's a
Le
real
suçon eo amin'ny
I
tendan'le
realized, you
reo
know,
de
it's
hoe
kind of
tena
hard to
marina.
recreate that, so I
Hoe
thought it
sarotra
was
be
real.
no
I thought it was
mamerina
a little
an'iny.
scripted.
I know it's not you. I'm not even gonna question that. Yeah, those numbers, bro.
It's
I'm
not
sorry.
me. It's not.
I know for a fact.
Awari, alefatsy.
Honestly,
Trevor
I
ray.
knew that Sean had my back. No matter what, it would have been 2v2.
There's been a tie. In the event of a tie, we do a revote. The two people who have tied are Jolie and Trevor.
You gotta trust me, bro.
Mitovy zany le izy de tsy maintsy miverina
It's gonna be
ny
the same.
It was obvious that Sean and Jolie were gonna vote Trevor off and then try and get me off.
So it was another tie.
mbola mitovy ihany e.
Yeah, can we
Mitovy
just say
ihany.
we're
Mole is
done?
out.
Yeah, I think the mole is probably out, but I was just trying to make more money, so
Raise your hand if you want to end the game.
let's just end it.
Ie de mifanaraka zany zareo taperina le jeu de hoe jerena hoe
You
iza no
voted the
hoaniny.
liar out. If the light turns red, the mole is still in
Raha salova tsarako le tenin'le olona.
All you guys.
If the light turns
If the light turned green, you voted the liar out. Raha ie.
green, you voted the liar out. If the light turns red, the mole is still in the game and you lose.
Tayro azy.
What, bro?
It was him.
Was it you?
Zay ary ho aly ny tenegniko.
Boy?
Marina ny tenegniko. Ewe.
My.
Sorry, Trevor.
Most people don't expect me to be a virgin, and unless asked,
zany eritreritra hoe ialahy mihitsy.
don't say anything.
I get it. It's the game.
Survival of the fittest, so I understand.
I think he's a sociopath.
Hey, don't judge a book by its cover. You really never know.
Nefa ohatra zao hoe raha ny ivelan'izany zao a tena ohatrany hoe bandy mainty hoditra mihitsy ny tena tia ny vehivavy dia tsy mijanona hoe virgin zany fa tena efa fantako fa le ry hatramin'ny voalohany marina ny teneniko.
I'm still a virgin because I'm waiting for marriage. I grew up in the church. Sex is a covenant between me, God, and my future wife. I just made that promise to myself and my family and to God that I would wait until marriage.
Zay zany ny tenen'ilay hoe any am-piangonana zany hoe miezaka mijanona vierge zany ka hatramin'ny mariage dia hoe anazy sy Andriamanitra sy izay ho vadiny azy zany ny resaka hoe sexe zany. Tena marina kosa aloha zany raha mahavita an'izany tena tsara.
Oh, that's a lot of whoa, that's a lot of cash.
Lasan'le ry boby.
Oh yeah,
My money walk of shame.
green money.
I'm just gonna.
Like paper.
Manafina le tsara.
Yo, what's up, good humans? Thanks for watching. Before you comment
Tapitra n'ilay kosa iny reveko be manao niny mijery ny vidéo iny manao an'ity réaction ty koa mahafinaritra anahy ary dia tena marina ny lazaiko dia ohatr'izay saotr'izay vidéo antsika androany aza dia miditra ao abony dia amanaraka indray.